Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular session, we will talk about the latest update which is regarding seat increment. 7 new colleges got added in Uttar Pradesh and many new seats got added into the new colleges as well as the old colleges. So we will talk about what are the new colleges and we'll talk about total number of seats in Uttar Pradesh. Seats got added in new colleges and the seats got incremented, means permitted seat got added in all existing colleges. And what are the other states where you can expect new colleges in PG for PG courses? And we will take a look at the seat matrix for UP private colleges for different branches. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel and you can look at the videos, our playlist and all. You can also subscribe to our paid services and for that you can call us to the number given on the screen 9319128677. In case you have got like high rank of 50,000, 55,000, 60, 65,000, 70 or just qualified, still you can expect to get a clinical seat in Uttar Pradesh. From that point of view, Uttar Pradesh is very important states. So let's talk in detail. So there are 7 new colleges made a new entry in Uttar Pradesh, and we will tell you the total number of seats in each and every college which are new. Varun Arjun, which is in Shahjahanpur, it has got 71 seats in this first year itself. That is a huge number of seats. KD Mathura, KD Medical College, which is in Mathura, it has got 104 seats in the first year. Prasad Medical College is in Lucknow. In Lucknow, we already have many colleges, and one more college, Prasad Medical College in Lucknow, it has got 41 new seats. KM Mathura has got 22 seats, and GS Hapur, it has got 72 seats. Let's take a look at Venkateswara Amroha. In the first year itself, it has got 117 seats approved, and it has seats from all the clinical and non-clinical branches. National Capital, which is in Meerut, it has got 4 non-clinical seats in SPM. So these are the new seats, and let's take a look at total number of colleges available in Uttar Pradesh, that is 26. Earlier it was 19 and now plus 7, that is 26. And total number of seats available for PG courses in state of Uttar Pradesh is 1539. I will tell you, Uttar Pradesh is an open state. It means the candidates who are coming from any other state or have done their MBBS from foreign, they are foreign FMG candidates, or they have done it from deemed universities, central university, they are eligible to take participation into Uttar Pradesh private colleges. So domicile is not a matter. You can be having a MBBS completed from any state, even from Nepal, you are eligible to participate in the open private college in Uttar Pradesh. Total new seats 342 in the new colleges, and new seats are added. It means permitted seats are added in old colleges as well. We have some kind of expectation about new colleges coming in for the PG courses in Chhattisgarh. Okay, so you can expect a seat there as well, and the colleges might be open like Uttar Pradesh. In Maharashtra, we are expecting some more colleges for PG courses. In Karnataka also some more seats will be added, and seats are added in DNB also. In MCC, totally for MDMS, more than 4,000 seats are already added. If you take a look at DNB diploma, so 1400 plus seats are added. So take a holistic look and you will find more than 7,500 seats are already added for this year. And as we progress with the counseling process, in after round 1 also, you will find new seats are added into the colleges. The approval process keeps going on, and as it gets approval from the authority, the seats will be added during the counseling process. So this is very good news for all of you, because the seats are added not in the domicile state but for the open state, where all the candidates whether they come from north part of the India or the southern part of India, they will get benefited, and they can expect to get clinical seats or their top clinical seats or desired branch or the dream branch in the low rank also. But these colleges, let me tell you, these new colleges, you must be aware about how to do the choice filling for these colleges. We have been doing the counseling for MBBS, and these are the colleges where the MBBS course is already running. So we know the quality of the colleges and which college will be of having better quality, but you need to have a very good ground research, okay, from the authenticated source, so that you can do the choice filling accordingly for particular branch, and how you need to manage the doing choice filling for multiple branches in those colleges. In case you don't have much idea, then you can come us for our paid counseling guidance. We will suggest you the choice filling registration process and which are other states you should apply for, and starting from registration process, choice filling for multiple rounds. At the same time, you have to look at how to balance out the counseling process for multiple states, so that your security deposit doesn't go forfeited. Now take a look at the seat matrix. The screen might be looking blurred because I try to incorporate the screenshot, which would require like a wider screen, but you can zoom it out and see it. So you have a seat available. Let's take a look at the colleges. Saraswati Hapur, Muzaffarnagar Medical College, Sharda University, which is in Noida. It's a great attraction among the people from South India, because they can get college in Delhi. Sri Ram Murthy, which is very good college. Rama Kanpur, and Subharthi Meerut. Tirthankar Mahavir, which is a minority medical college. Hind Barabanki, Era Medical College. All these colleges were existing, and Career Medical College, which is another minority college in Lucknow. Integral University is another minority college. Hind Sitapur, Rajashri Bareilly, and Rama Hapur. T.S. Mishra was the college which made entry last year, but last year it had only non-clinical seats. This year it has got clinical seats as well. Heritage Varanasi is also good college, and it has got most of the clinical seats. FH Agra, that's another minority college. National Capital Meerut, it's a new entry. It has got 4 SPM seats. Now this list is for mostly new entries. Rohilkhand Bareilly, which is old college. Mayo Barabanki, which is near Lucknow, and Varun Arjun Shahjahanpur, KD Mathur Prasad Lucknow, KM Mathur GS Hapur, and Venkateshwara Amroha. So these are the colleges which made new entry for the multiple clinical branches, and you have total number of seats 1539 in the private medical colleges. The eligibility criteria to participate into Uttar Pradesh private college, Uttar Pradesh government college, is you need to have your MBBS from Uttar Pradesh. Just having domicile is not sufficient. You need to have MBBS from government medical colleges or private medical colleges in Uttar Pradesh, which comes under the which can answer the authority of UPDGME. So this is the only context I wanted to share with you. In case you have like not very good rank, you just qualified, still you have hope to get a seat in Uttar Pradesh, but you need to have proper analysis. Otherwise, you might get a seat. You might get like not the best seat which you could have got based on your rank. So we'll meet again with some other updates. Okay, so keep in touch with like a NEET mentor, and you can call us on to the number. I will show you the number once again before I finish the video. 9319128677. In case the call goes busy, don't call again and again. You can leave a WhatsApp message before we leave for the day, sign up for the day. We reply to all of your WhatsApp messages, and the second number is 8076051875. So thanks for watching again, and have a great day. We will meet again with some other important topics.